First of all, I think there is a genetic predisposition to this condition. And that is when you look at dementing illnesses of all types, the ApoE alleles are going to be important, and that's going to be part of our database in the NFL to keep track of these folks throughout their life, not through their playing career. We'll know their genetic markers up front, and at some point down the road, it may be that a physician can come say, you know, Mrs. Jones, your son, if he plays contact sports, collision sports, throughout a professional career, his chance of permanent injury is blank %. And it's going to be different for various genotypic variants. That's one of them. I think the armor is another. We're looking at all the new accelerometers, ways that we can measure impacts collectively over a player's playing career, both practice and games throughout their career, and that will be a part of it also. With new materials, DARPA is looked at a lot of novel ideas to protect soldiers from blast injuries, and I think we're going to be able to get those quickly into athletics if there are important ideas out there.
The one thing I wanted to also add was, I think similar to how we've looked at baseball and pitch counts in youth baseball pitchers, I think applying some of that research and looking at hit counts, you know, you're never going to get a coach to agree to cut someone off after a certain number of hits unless it's a mandated thing across the board. So it would have to be similar to how the NFL has come up with their new rules for concussion, and the NCAA has done the same. I think at some point that's what we're going to see happen, is that there'll be some sort of hit count that's kept track of.